What a yucky day it was today. While we need the rain, it certainly was a far cry from what we experienced earlier this week when we had sunshine in the low 80s. Well, that is all gone. You can see from Live Super Doppler 4 HD, we still have rain falling across the upstate, mainly around Clemson as well as Anderson. Greenville, for the most part, is dry right now. In western North Carolina, we're starting to see those showers pick up, and temperatures are pretty chilly. We're in the mid to upper 40s across the upstate. It's 44 degrees in Nashville, with a warmer, more milder 51 degrees in Franklin. Now, this is Live Super Doppler 4 HD without all the rain on it. This shows you where the lightning is, and you can see there is absolutely none across the western Carolinas and northeast Georgia. It's mainly to the south of Greenwood, and that's because our atmosphere is very stable, so it's not looking like we're going to see any thunderstorms pop up for the next couple of hours. Winds are rather breezy, so that cold air feels even colder, and it feels even grosser outside with all that rain. We got winds coming out of the northeast at 10 miles per hour in Greenville, 9 miles per hour in Anderson. You can see from the southeast satellite radar picture, we do have tornado watches in effect south of Atlanta. This is where all the instability in the atmosphere is. This is where our front is. Just to the south of it is where we're seeing that severe weather. This tornado watch is in effect until 9 o'clock tonight. And then to the north of it, you see that white and the pink? Yeah, that's snow that's falling right around Missouri. So it's a tale of two stories. We have winter to the north, where we have temperatures of about 31 degrees in Chicago, 33 in Kansas City, the snow, the freezing rain. And then it's a completely different story down south, where we have 80s in Florida, 80 in Tampa, 83 in Miami, plenty of sunshine, quite blissful there. We have a storm that's moving through the Pacific Northwest, drenching northern and central California. Some of that energy will eventually make its way out east, so that will help contribute to the rain showers we'll see in the next couple of days. Future Plus shows at tonight about 7 o'clock we have that stationary front that's just to the south of us. This is that dividing line between the cold air in the north, the warm, moist air in the south of us. The rain will continue tonight. We'll see some freezing rain develop in those northern mountain counties, and that severe weather again will stay to the south of us. We can't rule out a thunderstorm in the mountains tonight, although it's very unlikely. As we head into Sunday afternoon, the showers are going to taper off. Those temperatures will remain chilly, about 5 to 10 degrees below average for this time of year. And then as we head into Sunday night and Monday morning, we'll have a few light showers that redevelop just in time for your back to work commute, and we may also see some freezing rain again in the mountains. And then Monday afternoon, thick cloud cover and temperatures well below average for this time of year. It was 57 degrees in Greenville. That was actually at midnight, not this afternoon. So that's about 10 degrees below average. It was 49 in Nashville. Again, that was about midnight. So tonight, 39 in the mountains, 42 in the upstate. We're looking at rain showers, fog, freezing rain possible in the northern mountains. We're only going to top out in 54 degrees in the mountains, 57 in the upstate. Rain mainly in the morning, then we should dry out as we head into the afternoon. Looking at your 4-day plus, Monday, we could see a couple of showers. We're really going to have unsettled weather for the entire week, and those temperatures well below average through Tuesday. We could have our next bout of severe weather on Wednesday. Here's Mike with sports. And we're taking a live look from our Hilton Skycam out of Greenville. You can see it is cloudy, gray, kind of gloomy, certainly cold. And if you've never been to Oregon or Washington State, just go ahead and step outside, because I swear this is exactly what it feels like in Oregon and Washington State, the Pacific Northwest, 9 months out of the year. You got the cloud cover, you got the drizzle, and you got temperatures in the mid-40s. So certainly Greenville is not the only place experiencing that thick cloud cover. It's spread through most of the area, with the exception of Franklin. Franklin, you have some clear skies right now, and that's allowing those temperatures to warm quite nicely. Low 60s right there. That is what we should be feeling for springtime, not this, the mid-40s. We haven't been able to get out of the 40s at all today. It's more of a winter-like pattern. As we take a look at the southeast satellite radar, we do have a thunderstorm watch. It's in effect for the low country, parts of the low country in South Carolina, but mainly southern Georgia, Georgia, northern Florida, parts of Mississippi and Alabama. This is in effect until 11 o'clock tonight, and this is from that storm system that brought us all that rain, the thunder, and the lightning last night. This is also our dividing line. It's a tale of two weather stories. You've got cold winter-like weather to the north, and then you've got a summer spring-like pattern towards the south of that stationary front, and that front is going to stick with us for the foreseeable future. And as it does, little areas of low pressure are going to ride along it, so you'll see off and on showers throughout Monday. Those showers will redevelop for your Monday morning commute. Also, we will have some snow in the mountains. Temperatures will be cold enough, but we're going to see that snow mainly in the northern counties of North Carolina, and those temperatures again very chilly, so bundle up when you head out the door tomorrow morning. And then tomorrow afternoon, those showers are going to end, but those temperatures will remain below average. We won't be out of the 50s across the area. As we head into Tuesday, we'll stay dry to start off that day, but it will be cloudy. We'll have some partial clearing in the afternoon on Tuesday, but guess what? Those showers are going to make a comeback as we head into Tuesday night. So some unsettled weather to deal with. And we do have a winter weather advisory that kicks into gear from 2 a.m. until noon on Monday. This is for those northern North Carolina counties. We're expecting up to 2 inches of snow here, so it basically means travel could be tricky. All that rain that moved in yesterday made quite a dent in our rainfall totals for the year. We saw anywhere from about 1.5 inches in Clemson, just over 1.5 inches in Greenville, but check out Spartanburg, about 2 1/3 inches of rain from that single storm. So we certainly do need that rain. It washed out the pollen, cleaned up our cars, watered our lawns. Temperatures today, oh my goodness, they were so chilly. This is not where we should be for this time of year. Greenville, we should be at 66. We only hit 45 degrees today. That is 21 degrees below average. And in Asheville, you're about 15 degrees below average. So your forecast for tonight doesn't get any better. It's going to be cold, 37 in the mountains, 40 in the upstate. We'll see those showers start to develop as we get to daybreak, and then the snow in the mountains. We'll top out at 51 in the mountains tomorrow afternoon, 54 in the upstate. The first part of the day will be wet. The second part of the day will be dry. And we will see that unsettled weather as we move off throughout the rest of this week. We'll have a busy weather day on Wednesday. We could have a couple of thunderstorms to introduce into this forecast, and temperatures will remain below average until this weekend, or I should say next weekend. We'll be back in the upper 60s in the upstate and low 70s for Saturday and into Sunday. So just keep your eye on the prize, and remember, things will get better.
I'm hoping all this rain, my front lawn will be green again. That's what I'm at least hoping to get out of this weather this weekend.
Well, I'll keep my fingers crossed.
But if not, it's good weather for taking a nap.
Yeah, and eating chili. It's like a flashback to winter. If you really liked winter, well, you're in luck.
All right.